Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in today's topic wise video, we will be talking about India's rank in the global competitiveness ranking, right? So what is this ranking about, right? This ranking talks about that how well India is performing in the competitiveness, right? Globally, what is our rank as a economy? This index, it basically allows the leaders from both public and private institutions to basically understand the main drivers of growth, right? Here it determines an economy's level of productivity, correct? It also helps to assess the progress against the full set of the factors and determine the productivity, as I mentioned. So India here in this index, we have been ranked at 58th position, correct? And we are one of the most competitive economy on the World Economic Forum's Global Competitiveness Index. Right, students? Then it is Competere Foundation for Trade and Competition Policy. Right? This is an independent policy and advocacy group. They have recently released their recent report. And as per the report, our country emerged as one of the strongest structural reforms among the economies studied. We have improved our rank from 82 in 2010 to 57 in 2023. So this index is 58th position is for 2023 that has been lately released. This was formally launched during a discussion on India's reform trajectory, market distortions and next frontier for growth and competitiveness, organized by Center for Trade and Investment Law, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade in collaboration with the Competere Foundation for Trade and Competition Policy at India Habitat Center in New Delhi. Then if we talk about the report, it tracks the country's structural and pro-competitive reforms between 2010 and 2023. In 2010, it was 82 and now in 2023, we stands at 53rd position, right? 57th position. Then the performance of the countries are assessed through the Foundation Market Distortions Performance Index across three main key parameters that include protection of property rights, domestic competition and international competition. Right here, the report highlighted some of the Government of India's led key initiatives also, such as your GST, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, improvements in the regulatory framework, trade facilitation measures that includes your Indian Customs Electronic Gateway, single window interference for facilitating trade, direct port delivery, and that contributed in improving the rank from 82nd to 57th. So this is about you need to know about the global competitiveness reform ranking released by whom and the rank of India. What was it earlier and what is it now?